Are you looking to swap out a taillight on your 2013, 14, 15 Nissan Altima? Young Demi got you. But real quick, subscribe, bud. I'm gonna show you how to get it done. Stick around. Starting with the driver's side tail light, you need to remove 3 clips in the trunk. Alright, once you're done with that, you're going to pull this section back. You should see 2 hex nuts that need to be removed. Make sure you knock those out. Not literally. Alright, so at this point, all you need to do is just slide the tail light off. Apply a little pressure and just push it off. Then it should be good. Then, of course, repeat the steps for the other side. Here is the after. Here is before. Project complete. Hope you enjoyed.